Yes, everyone, you're welcome. Farm Life with Iyke Phelim. Today we are making ginger bug. You see that in a cup that I'm holding? That's grated ginger. Fresh, organic ginger. So the first step, we wash the ginger. Then we'll take it to grate it. We grate just the quantity we need. And that's what you're looking at right now. Freshly grated, fresh, organic ginger. So the next step is to go to our work table. That's where we are right now. And we have a container, two containers where we now add water into one of the containers. Non-chlorinated water, natural organic water, no additives, nothing, just clean natural water. That's it. That quantity is enough. So now we add ginger to the water in the container. Yes, that's one teaspoon of ginger. Then we add another one. Then we add another one. Okay, so now we have 3 teaspoons of ginger, grated ginger, in our container with water. So we stir it properly. So the ginger is well soaked, is soaked with the water. Then I think let's add one more because we want our ginger bug to be very strong. You need it so we can be making great natural homemade sodas that are good for your gut and they are very good for your health. Okay, next is to add sugar to our mixture. Right there, we have sugar. That's the sugar. So put the first teaspoon of sugar, and that's one, and that's two, and that's three, and we have four. So it's ratio 4 to 4. 4 teaspoons of grated ginger and 4 teaspoons of sugar. Give it a very good stir. Then next is to cover it with something breathable because the bacteria when the fermentation starts, it's gonna be needing some form of small allowance to breathe. Yeah, so that's good enough. And that we take to a dark room and we repeat tomorrow. We add more ginger and sugar.